The Frog Prince. Once upon a time, an evil fairy cast a spell on a young prince and turned him into a frog. She dropped him into a deep, dark well near a beautiful palace. In that palace lived a kind king and his cheerful daughter, the princess. She ran outside and played with it in the garden, tossing it high into the air. But, oh no, the ball bounced and rolled right into the well with a big splash. The princess peeked into the well and burst into tears. "My ball is gone forever," she sobbed. Suddenly, a small green frog popped his head out of the water. "Why are you crying, princess?" he asked. "I dropped my birthday ball into the well," she sniffled. The frog said, "I'll get your ball, but only if you promise to be my friend." The princess didn't like the sound of that and shook her head. So the frog dove back under the water. But she really missed her ball. "All right," she said finally. "I promise." With a splash, the frog returned holding the golden ball. The princess grabbed the ball, shouted, "Thank you," and ran off, leaving the frog behind. That night, she told the king what happened. The king frowned. "You made a promise," he said. "A true princess keeps her word." So the next day, the princess went back to the well and found the frog waiting. "I'm sorry," she said. "Please come with me." She brought him to the palace. He ate from her plate, slept on a little pillow beside her bed, and made her laugh with his silly stories. Day by day, they became friends. "The fairy's spell is broken," he said with a smile. "Your kindness set me free." The prince and the princess were soon married. And from that day on, they lived happily ever after.